Quick drain one.
Okay.
Look at the
Get to work. It's basically just glorified Fiat at this point.
That's crazy. Thank you.
Of course. What's up, bitch ass? Oh, you know, living the dream, just working away. What you do?
Good as anyone.
Oh, you're good. You back for the salt? Or did you do the salt this year?
Didn't record it whenever I was taking it apart. You're gonna take this off here. You're gonna undo this hose, undo that hose. You're gonna undo this or loosen it. You're gonna take the sensor off. You're gonna pull this off first. You're gonna swing it upward. Then you're gonna pull this off, and then you're gonna undo this clamp right here for the air filter. This piece right here is separate. Pull that out. Pull this way. Then pull the air filter out.